Welcome learners, welcome to my class. In today's class, we are going to learn about the class 7th NCERT and our subject is History. Today, we will learn about Chapter 1 Tracing Change Through 1,000 Years. This was a period of between 700 to 750 and our topic is new social and political groups. So, as you know that the history of class 7 would focus on medieval India and it focused how the transition occurred from ancient India to medieval India. Dear students, in 6th class, we learned about the ancient India and in 7th class, we learn the period between 700 to 750 which is known as medieval period. Dear learners, before going to start our topic, I want to tell you that in this chapter we would form a kind of background to help us to understand about various kingdoms that arrived during medieval period. Today, we will learn about the changes that occurred in social and political groups. Dear learners, history of years between 700 to 750 had observed a variety of social and political development. So, in our topic now, we will know about these changes or these developments. Dear students, while you are watching this video, you must keep a notebook and a pen with you so that you can note down the important points. Here, this is our topic from our NCERT book, New Social and Political Groups. Dear students, in this 1,000 years between 700 to 750, at that time, a variety of developments occurred. For example, Persian wheels for irrigation, spinning wheel in weaving, and firearms in combat. Let me show you what is our Persian wheel or spinning wheel and firearm. This is Persian wheel. This is a device which used to lift water from the water source, and during medieval period this was invented and farmers used this Persian wheel to irrigate their fields. In this picture you can see how this Persian wheel lifted water from this river. In this picture here you can see the water, and this Persian wheel operated with the help of animals like camel, bulls, etc. Here in this picture you can see the ox. Here with the help of the animals this Persian wheel was used. And this is our spinning wheel which used to spin yarn or thread from the fibers, and with the help of that fiber we can make our clothes. Later this spinning wheel laid the foundation of big machineries. This is firearms. Development of firearms also taken place during medieval period. Before the invention of the firearms, people fight with swords and stick, etc. And now during medieval period they invented firearms, and this firearms used for big fights. Beside these developments, in the medieval period, new foods and beverages also arrived in our subcontinent. For example, potatoes, corns, chilies, and in beverages, tea and coffee. All these introduced to us during medieval period. Besides these changes, many other economic, social, political and cultural changes also took place during this period. So that was a result of the ideas of the people who also brought new ideas. Dear students, medieval period also a period of great mobility. Mobility means move from one place to another in search of something. So during medieval period, group of people traveled long distances in search of opportunities. They moved via land route and also use sea route, and wealth of subcontinents offered that opportunity to those people who carve a fortune. जो अपना भाग्य अच्छा बनाना चाहते थे या अपना फ्यूचर अच्छा बनाना चाहते थे, तो ऐसे लोगों को सबकॉन्टिनेंट्स ने अट्रैक्ट किया. ड्यूरिंग मेडिवल पीरियड इन इंडिया, one group of people became important, and the name of that group is Rajputs. This name derived from the word Rajputra, that means the son of a ruler. Between 18th to 14th century, this Rajputra term only used by a group of warriors who claimed Kshatriya caste. But after that, this term also included soldiers and commanders who served in the armies of different monarchs. Monarchs mean Raja in different regions. And for these Rajput warriors, there was a chivalric code of conduct. That means extreme valor and great sense of loyalty. Means बहुत बहादुरी और सच्चाई उनके अंदर होती थी. And these qualities attributed to Rajputs by their poets and bards in their books. Bards means professional storyteller. Beside Rajput, there were some other groups also that get important during the medieval period. These were Marathas, Sikhs, Jats, Ahom, and Kayasth. Kayasth was a caste of scribes. Scribes means writers. During medieval period, Kayasth occupied high government offices, serving as ministers or advisor of the Middle Kingdoms of India. Dear students, now we will learn about the social differences and the subcaste system that came in our society. So, the medieval period was marked by the migration of forest dwellers due to change in their habitat. Forest dweller means the person who lived in forest. So, and habitat means the environment of a particular region and the social and economic lifestyle of its residents. एक एरिया, वहाँ का environment एंड वहाँ पर रहने वाले लोगों का इकोनॉमिक लाइफस्टाइल, सोशल लाइफस्टाइल, वो सब उसका हैबिटाट होता है. सो what kind of changes taken place in the life of forest dwellers? Because of the clearing of forest and the extension of agriculture. Dear students, here I want to tell you that what is clearing of forest and extension of agriculture. Clearing of forest means to cut down the trees and fire the bushes and clean that land, and after cleaning use that land for the agriculture purposes. So that is clearing of forest and extension of agriculture. So during medieval period ये चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई थी. फॉरेस्ट में रहने वाले लोग जो थे वो मजबूर हो गए थे टू चेंज देयर प्लेस, टू मूव फ्रॉम देयर प्लेस, एंड हु डिड नॉट मूव, वो उन्होंने वहीं पर खेती करना शुरू किया और वो पीजेंट्स बन गए. सो एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम दीज न्यू पीजेंट्स slowly influenced by the regional markets They become a part of the large society and had to pay taxes and also offer goods and services to the local lords. And after that, इसका result क्या हुआ? So slowly, huge differences emerged among the peasants socially and economically. Some of them had big productive land holdings, cattle, etc., and some others don't have these kinds of luxury things. These differences in the society led to the grouping of the people into jatis or subcaste, which were ranked based on their background and the occupation. Dear students, you can see these pictures carefully. In the first pictures, you can see that the forest dwellers had to move from one place to another place to settle down. And in the second picture, you can see on the basis of the occupation, the caste and subcaste divided. There is the priest, the writers, etc. And in the third picture, you can see the huge difference, economically difference, the rich one and the poor one, who is pleaded for help. So these social or economical differences led the foundation of the subcaste system in our society. And the people who grouped into these jatis or subcaste, they were ranked on the basis of their background. Background means their occupation. And this rank were not fixed permanently. अगर जिसका ऑक्यूपेशन चेंज हो गया है, अगर उसने इम्प्रूवमेंट कर लिया है, तो ये जो रैंक है ये चेंज हो जाती थी. एंड इट ऑल्सो वेरिड अकॉर्डिंग टू द पावर, इन्फ्लुएंस एंड द रिसोर्सेज कंट्रोल बाय द मेंबर ऑफ द जाति. किसी जाति के पास कितने रिसोर्सेज हैं, ये रैंक सिस्टम इस बात पर भी डिपेंड करता था. जातिस फ्रेम्ड देयर ओन रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन. हर एक जो भी जाति और सबकास्ट थी उसके अपने रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस थे. एंड दीज रेगुलेशंस वर इन्फोर्स्ड बाय एन असेंबली ऑफ एल्डर्स. बड़े लोगों का जो एक ग्रुप बन जाता था वो इंश्योर करते थे कि दैट पर्टिकुलर जो सबकास्ट है उसके जितने भी रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन हैं वो सभी फॉलो करें. इन सम एरियाज दिस असेंबलीज नॉन एज जाति पंचायत. तो कुछ इलाकों में ये जो एल्डरली की जो असेंबली थी इनको जाति पंचायत के नाम से जाना जाता था. बिसाइड्स दीज जाति रूल्स, they were also required to follow the rules of their village, and these villages were governed by a chieftains. Chieftain का मतलब होता है leader. So together these villages were only one small unit of a state. जैसे कि अभी भी villages हमारे country की एक small unit है, वैसे ही. So now dear students, we will revise what we learned today. So today we see about the technological advancement, and in this technological advancement we seen the Persian wheel, which helped to farmers to irrigate their fields, spinning wheel which helps us in spinning the yarn from the fibers, firearm to involved in the big fights, food and beverages introduced in our subcontinent, period of great mobility, so lots of people traveled in group via land route and sea route, and some other social groups that emerged during these periods: Rajput, Marathas, Sikhs, Jat, Ahom, कायस्थ. कायस्थ जो मैंने बताया था आपको, ये राइटर्स की कास्ट होती थी. ये मुगल्स के लिए और ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड जो किंगडम थे उनके लिए उनकी प्रेज में या फिर उनका जो ऑफिशियल डाटा होता था उसको लिखने का काम करते थे. एंड द चेंजेस इन द लाइफ ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट ड्वेलर्स, कैसे फॉरेस्ट ड्वेलर जो फॉरेस्ट में रहते थे बाद में वो वहाँ से मूव किया उन्होंने और वो
नॉर्मल पीपल की सोसाइटी में आकर रहने लगे, या फिर जो मूव नहीं किया जिन्होंने, तो वो पीजेंट्स बन गए. पीजन मीन्स किसान बन गए. एंड दे बिकम द पार्ट ऑफ द कॉम्प्लेक्स सोसाइटी. कॉम्प्लेक्स सोसाइटी मीन्स जैसे आज की हमारी सोसाइटी है. आप सबको पता है कि अपने इंडिया में कैसे कास्ट सिस्टम बहुत ज़्यादा है, वैसे एंड वी सीन द डिवीज़न ऑफ सब कास्ट. कैसे सब कास्ट बनी एंड कैसे वो उनको रैंक किया जाता है, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर रिसोर्सेज, occupations, etc. So this is the revision of the video which we have learned. Now assignment time, and this is assignment for you. There are 4 questions, and dear students, you have to try to give answers of these questions. These are very simple questions. अगर आपने वीडियो को ध्यान से देखा है तो you are very much able to give the answers. First question is, what were the new technological advancement between 700 and 750? It means कौन सी ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट हुई थी, इन्वेंशन हुई थी ड्यूरिंग 700 and 750. Next is, which are the other new things happening during this period? Beside टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट और कौन से इन्वेंशंस हुई थी? फूड में चेंजेस हुआ था, या फिर लोगों ने मूव करना शुरू किया था फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस इन सर्च ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज एट्सेट्रा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट डज द वर्ड राजपूत स्टैंड फॉर? राजपूत वर्ड जो है वो किसके लिए यूज होता था? नेम द वेरियस ग्रुप्स दैट बिकेम इम्पॉर्टेंट बिटवीन 700-750. कौन से ऐसे ग्रुप्स थे, सोशल ग्रुप्स थे, जो ड्यूरिंग मेडिवल पीरियड काफ़ी इम्पॉर्टेंट बन गए थे, उन्होंने अपनी इम्पॉर्टेंस बढ़ा ली थी? तो ऐसे कौन से ग्रुप्स थे, कुछ आपको एग्जाम्पल देने हैं. बट डियर स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज़ डोंट पैनिक. आई विल हेल्प आउट यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो with answers. Till then, you must try to give the answers on the basis of the video you have seen, and make yourself comfortable at home. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.